Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry popsicles. First, select about 2 cups of ripe, fresh strawberries. You will also need 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. These simple ingredients combine to create a wonderfully refreshing treat. Make sure your popsicle molds are clean and ready to go before you begin. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient. Wash about 2 cups of fresh strawberries under cool water, then hull them by removing the green tops. Slice them into smaller pieces to help with blending. Place the prepared strawberries into a blender, adding 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This mixture will form the delicious base of your popsicles. With your ingredients in the blender, it's time to create that perfect consistency. Blend the strawberry mixture until it is completely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain. If the mixture is too thick, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Carefully pour the blended liquid into your popsicle molds, filling each one almost to the top. Then, insert the popsicle sticks. The final step is the easiest. Waiting. Place your filled popsicle molds into the freezer. They will need at least 4 to 6 hours to become fully solid, but for the best results, let them freeze overnight. When you are ready to enjoy, run the molds under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds to help release the popsicles easily. Enjoy your homemade strawberry treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.